Hey guys, what we have available for you today is the Rothco tactical pen. It is a great everyday carry pen. It comes with a bunch of features. One of those features being a wonderful ballpoint pen on one end. This pen writes very smoothly. When reversed, you have a tungsten steel window breaker, very effective. And we can open up the middle hinge here, exposes the whistle, and a whistle can be interchanged with a bottle opener, which also has a serrated tip or a flat style blade. Great for opening boxes, making small cuts. Close that up. Now on the back end here, you have a dual mode flashlight. When activated, you have your single beam. When you click it again, you have your strobe. The pen itself measures about 6.5 inches long. It is made out of alloy and tungsten steel. Flashlight is operated by button cell batteries, which are also included with the pen, and a refillable ink cartridge. This pen is available on our website at www.guardianoutfitters.ca or in store. Thanks, guys.